Hey guys, I'm in the out of ski boundary. No one's really been down here, at least not recently. Everyone was too scared to do it with me, so I can do it by myself. And I'm making this video so that if I die, everybody knows how. Anyways, looks pretty sweet. It's a lot of powder, can't really move, and I have no idea where it leads to. It may lead to the creek. Oh my god, I'm not even moving. Woo! Oh, someone has been down here maybe 4 days ago. That's promising. I think I should head quite left because I do not want to get in the creek. But yeah, it's exciting. I think I'm gonna run out of battery, so I should probably stop recording. See you in hell.